Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Narayana live class. So today in this video we are going to discuss about an assignment on globe. So here are few questions. Now let's find the answers. So the first question is, what is the value of prime meridian? So prime meridian means, like how we discussed in last assignment, like latitude will be 0 degree. Similarly, prime meridian, so this is called prime meridian, which is a 0 degree. So the answer is, so the first question answer is 0 degree, right? So this is called prime meridian and the value of prime meridian is 0 degrees. Now let's take the second question. What is a grid? So grid means a network of parallel of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. That means, see here, this is latitudes. Like this, if you draw the latitudes, the parallel latitudes, and longitudes, meridian longitudes. So the whole network of this is called as a grid. So the second question answer is a network of parallel of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Okay, children, clear? Now what is grid? Now let's take the third question. What are the heat zones of the earth? So there are three heat zones of earth. One is torrid zone, temperature zone and frigid zone. So like for example, if you take a globe, so the near the equator is called as torrid zone. So this is torrid zone, this is temperate zone, this is also temperate zone, and this is frigid zone. So total 3 zones. Temperate, so torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Like same down also. So the second question answer is 3. One is torrid zone, second one is temperate zone, and the third one is frigid zone. So total 3 zones we have. Okay children, clear? Now let's go to the next question. Now let's take the third question, children. So third 3 questions completed. Now let's take fourth question. Which place is used as a standard for time all over the world? So the answer is Greenwich, which is in a Britain. So the answer is Greenwich. So for example, if you take, so the prime meridian is only called as Greenwich. So the fourth question answer is Greenwich, which is in Britain. Okay children. Now the fifth question is, why the midday sun did never shine overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn? So because the angle of sun rays keep decreasing. So that means, for example, if you take the sun rays are falling like this, so when you go to the poles, the sun rays will be decreasing. So the answer is what, children? So the angle of sun rays keep decreasing. The angle of sun rays keep decreasing. Right, children? Now let's take sixth question. How many total number of longitudes are there on the globe? So total longitudes, if you take, children, like this, if you take overall longitudes, there are 360 longitudes. So the answer is 360. Okay, children, clear? Now let's take the next question. Now take seventh question. Define longitudes. So longitude means what? The imaginary circles parallel to the prime meridian. Okay, so like last assignment we discussed about latitude. Similarly here, this is prime meridian, imaginary circles parallel to the prime meridian. So these are the longitudes. So the answer is, seventh question answer is, an imaginary lines in imaginary circles, imaginary lines parallel to the prime meridian. Okay, children, so this is called longitudes. Okay, children, clear? Now the eighth question is, name the islands that are situated on 20 degrees latitude. So there are two islands are there. One is Tonga Islands and Mauritius Islands. So the eighth question answer is Tonga Islands, Tonga and Mauritius Islands. Okay, children. Tonga Islands and Mauritius Islands. Now, ninth question will take, children. What type of climate is found in the temperate zone? So it means temperature zone is there. Three zones we discussed, right? One is torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. In temperate zone, what type of climate means? Moderate climate. Okay, children. So that is moderate climate. Okay, so Mauritius Islands. Clear, children? Now let's move on to the next question. Yes. Now let's take 10th question. Why the frigid zones are very cold? Because, children, the sun doesn't rise much above the horizon. Okay, it rays always slanting and provide less heat. So that means, for example, if you take the sun rays slanting, see slanting position falls on the going to the 90 degrees of north or south. So the rays of sun means the sun rays always will be slanting and provide less heat. Okay, children, answer is what? The sun rays. The sun rays slanting in position. Sun rays always slanting. Okay, so this is slanting. So always slanting and provide less heat. And provide less heat. So that is why the frigid zone always very cold. Now let's take 11th question, children. Name the heat zones that receives maximum heat. Yes, so here is equator. So nearby the equator, sun rays falling directly in a 90-degree angle. See here, 90-degree angle. So that's why more heat will generate in this zone. So the answer is torrid zone. Clear, children? Now 12th question. Mark the both hemispheres and prime meridians in the given globe. Okay. So we have to mark both hemispheres and prime meridian in the globe. So 12th question now. If you take children here, the globe. Take a globe. So this is prime meridian. Okay, 0 degrees. So this is prime meridian, 0 degrees, and this side, see here children, this side, eastern hemisphere, and this side, western hemisphere, right? So they asked us to divide hemispheres based on the prime meridian. So this is prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, and this side east direction, that's why it's called as eastern hemisphere, means which is a half, and this side remaining half, western hemisphere. Now let's move on to the 13th question children. So 13th question is, write all the important parallels and heat zones in the given globe. So we have to mark heat zones. Again you take globe, right? So based on the equator, so this is 0 degree. So here if you take children, so this is 23 degrees half north, here 23 degrees half south, 66 degrees half north, then here also 66 degrees half south. Now this is torrid zone. So this is torrid zone, right? So this is temperate zone or temperature zone also we call, you can say like that also. Then last one is frigid zone. This is frigid zone, right children? So this is what about 13th question. So clear children? So all 13 question answers completed. So I hope you are clear. So thank you so much. Have a great day.